Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in today's tutorial, once again, we are talking about Mac, and this time I'm going to show you on how you can earn from Mac for free. No referrals, no daily check-ins, no mining at all. We're going to be focusing more on taxes. Now we're going to be trying multiple taxes, different types of taxes in this tutorial. So get ready guys, get ready for it. Now the first thing you need to do is to get into Mac app. I'm sure all of you have Mac app right now. If you need the link to Mac app, it is machine/official/boot. This is just a screenshot from my account on Mac app where I did about 900 USDT. If you have been watching my videos, you'll know that I've been able to grow this amount to about 3k USDT this week so far, just in 1 week. So make sure you get into it as well. As I said, the username is machine/official/boot. The username is also down in the description of this video. So right now, let's get into Mac app. Okay, so right here, I am on the Telegram bot. This is just a withdrawal I made recently. This is just the transaction proof of the withdrawal. You yourself get into Mac app. Once you hit the start button right here, it should populate the mini app and it loads it up. Okay, so Mac app has been successfully loaded up. As you can see, I've already checked in for today. I've received my reward of 0.01 BNB. I made a video about this and I published the video. I'm sure you guys have already seen that video. If you head over to my mining section, you see that I'm already earning about 0.100 above 100 USD every single day. And also, if you head over to my friends section, I am not doing much referrals on this particular account, but I have a different other account where I do about 100 referrals every single day. And if you head over to my total balance, you'll see that I've accumulated about 3,000 USDT on this particular app, on this particular account. So right here, now please take note, do not use multiple accounts as well. I use multiple accounts because I know how to use multiple accounts. If you use multiple accounts, you will get banned. However, because I have so much experience about using all these crypto apps and Telegram bots, I know how to actually dodge all those their restrictions and stuff. So right now, we are going to focus more on taxes. To get into tax, simply hit the end section right here. Once you hit this end section right here, it populates lots of tax that you can complete for yourself. Now, as you can see right here, we have the YouTube tax, you have the Instagram tax, and you have many more taxes that you can actually complete and earn lots of coins. I've earned over 100 Mac coins that I can easily swap on the wallet page and cash it out instantly. So right now we're going to be trying out a simple tax once again. You also have the future tax and the daily tax as well. We're going to be trying out a simple tax once again. Let's try out an add tax. Now for this add tax, simply click on the start button to get into it. And basically, you need to read the instruction. It is important. It says, click the button to open the tax. If it is a website, sign up completely. Make sure you sign up completely. If it is an app, download and install it. And also, upload a clear screenshot as proof that you have completed this tax as well. This is also very important and necessary. So right now, we're going to hit the start tax button. And once you hit the start tax button, it directs you to the ad. So as you can see, the tax that this told me to do, it told me to download an app. I do not know what this app is, but I'm basically going to download it because it told me to download it. So we're going to hit the install button right here and download the app immediately. Right now, the app is being installed. And as you can see right now, I have successfully downloaded the app. Now I'm going to try and open the app. So now I have successfully downloaded the app. It turns out to be a browser and I have installed it and opened it on my device. So we're going to take a screenshot right now. And now we're going to head back to Mac app. Okay, right now we are back on Mac app. We're now going to click on check. Now it tells us to upload a screenshot of the tag. So we're simply going to upload a screenshot of the tag. Now I have added a screenshot and now we're going to click on upload screenshots. Now it tells me to submit the link to the website or the app that was directed to. I forgot to tell you guys, you also need to take note of that link. So right now I'm going to paste in the link and hit the submit button. So right now I've added in the link right here and I'm going to hit the submit answer button and proceed. Now, as you can see, I've completed this task successfully. It told me I received about 0.4 mark. I'm going to hit the proceed button right here and that's just it. Now there are still more taxes I can complete. As a new user, obviously your balance will be completely zero. So complete as many tasks as possible. Now you can complete these 2 other taxes right here. Once you're done with it, you switch to the socials, you complete all the taxes right here, you complete this tax, you complete this tax, and you can now go towards the bigger taxes. These are the taxes that will pay you even more. You can complete each and every one of them. Head over to the referral bonus tax and complete also all of them. This is just free. All these taxes are free. You don't need to mine anything, you don't need to refer any friend. They are completely free, guys. So make sure you get into it and start earning for yourself. Now you have completed all the tasks. Now easily cash out our earnings. Now the first thing you need to do is obviously to swap your mark to BNB. You can simply do it right here. Type in the amount of mark you want to swap, then swap it to BNB ASAP. Now having done that, your balance will be added to BNB right here, and now you can now easily cash out. Now, as I said, the mark is just a virtual airdrop. It has not yet listed. However, the markup gives you an opportunity to swap your mark to BNB so that you can now withdraw your earnings for yourself. However, I suggest and advise that you hold your mark, you accumulate your mark, so that the value will keep on growing, and when it lists, it will obviously be listing at a higher price than it is right now. You'll be able to earn even more than that. So right now we're going to hit the withdraw button and we're going to cash out some of our earnings ASAP. So right now we're going to hit withdraw right here, and then we're going to type in the amount of BNB. Let's go for maybe 0.01 BNB. So I'm going to type in 0.01, and now I'm going to hit the submit withdraw button. Now my withdrawal is being processed, and I'm going to kindly wait for it. So right now it tells me my withdrawal has been submitted successfully, and I just received a notification right here telling me I received 0.01 BNB. Now this is the easiest way you can actually earn crypto in today. Just get into this Telegram bot. The link, the username is Machine Official Boots. Search it up on Telegram, get into it, start earning. You don't even need to start mining or start referring your friends. Start completing taxes. Yes, complete taxes first of all, earn for yourself, cash out some earnings. Then you can now start thinking of referring your friends. Then you can now start thinking of mining. Then even with the profits you have made from checking in daily, you can now start hiring some miners that can be mining passively for you while you're busy at work or busy at school. This is how you can actually get started with Markup. The Markup has so many opportunities for you. Get into it. The username is down in the description of the video. Get into it and start earning, guys. I'll see you on our very next tutorial.